Rounding decimals. Note: if the digit in the tens place is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we write 0 in the tens place and do not change the digit in the ones place. If the digit in the tens place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we write 0 in the tens place and increase the digit in the ones place by 1. We know how to round a given number to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, etc. We shall now learn to round a decimal. Rounding decimals to the nearest one. Let us consider the decimal 4.1, 4.8, 11.6, 11.3, 12.5. Now study how we round them to the nearest one. 4.1 is nearer to 4 than to 5. Therefore, we round it to 4.0. 11.6 is nearer to 12 than to 11. Therefore, we round it to 12.0. 4.8 is nearer to 5 than to 4. Therefore, we round it to 5.0. 11.3 is nearer to 11 than to 12. Therefore, we round it to 11.00. 12.5 is halfway between 12 and 13. So, we round the decimal to the nearest one number which is greater than the given decimals. Therefore, we round 12.5 to 13.0.